Hey guys, welcome back once again. So if you are ready to understand physics and not cramming formulas in physics, come with me. Let me guide you on how to understand the basic principle and to solve questions. Okay, I have a question on overtone and harmonics. So let's go there. Before then, do well to like, subscribe, and invite family and friends. All right. In a resonance tube experiment, the frequency of the tuning fork is 750, that is F is 750 hertz, right? And the resonating length of the air column is 0.3 meter, that is the distance from here to here is 0.3 meter. So L is 0.3 meter, right? Good. The velocity of the wave is, we're asked to find V. This is what we are asked to find. Now, if you have a good knowledge of this resonance tube experiment, you would know that the open part here is our antinode A. This closed part here is the node N, right? Then if I have a complete one like this, I have also another node here, right? Then I have antinode. Okay, let this one serve for this. I have antinode at the center. Then at the last part here, I have another node, right? Now, in my previous example, I've told you, I explained to you that the distance between a node, an antinode, and a node is expressed as L equal to lambda over 4, right? That is the distance between antinode and node. Now I have one distance here, from here, from here, from here also. So I'm going to add. So what I'm going to have is from here to here, that is my L now. I'm going to add from here to here is lambda over 4, plus from here to here the same thing, lambda over 4. Then from here to here is another one, lambda over 4, right? Good. This will give me my L. So add everything, this plus this plus this will give me 3 lambda over 4. This is simple fraction. So L is equal to 3 lambda over 4, right? And L is given as 0.3. So I can use this to find my wavelength, which is the lambda. So I have 0.3 equal to 3 lambda over 4. Cross multiply this times this, then you now divide by 3. So 0.3 times 4, I'm going to have 1.2 equal to 3 lambda, right? Divide both sides by 3. This will cancel this, right? So my lambda is equal to 0.4 meter, right? Good. Now I need my lambda in order to substitute in this formula. V is equal to F this. Okay. Now in the question, this is what they asked us to calculate. I know my F and I've calculated for my wavelength, which is the lambda, right? So let's go. V now will be, the frequency is 750 times my lambda, which I just calculated, 0.4, right? Good. So if I multiply this times this is going to give me 300 meter per second. You see, very, very simple. All what you need to know is that try to get your length here. Okay, then you recall this relationship is very important. This relationship is very, very important. So if you truly understood my explanation and it's very simple, let me know. Like the video, share the video, invite family and friends. Okay, see you for another question. Bye.